My name is Syed Abuzar. My father name is Syed Moin. He is a mechanic and my residence is Kerameri, Asifabad. I seek admission in TGMREIS, Kagaznagar Boys 2. Then I secured seat in GMC Rajanna Susila Government Medical College. I would like to thank our secretary sir, academic team and coordinator, principal and our faculty.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Amzar Ali. My father name is Syed Abid Ali and he is a farmer. I am from Asifabad. I seek admission in TGMREIS, Kagaznagar Boys 1 from 5th class to intermediate second year. And I would like to thanks to Secretary Sir, B. Shefullah Sir, and academics and coordinators, principals and faculty. By their support, I got a MBBS seat in IAN Medical College, and I would like to thanks them for their support. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Ikramuddin. My father name is Syed Hussain. My father occupation is a tailor. I had completed schooling from TGMREIS Kagaznagar Boys and intermediate from TGMREIS Bharat CUE. I secured free medical seat in Prathama Institute of Medical Sciences, Karimnagar with the help of TGMREIS Society. I would like to thank our TGMREIS President, Qureshi Saab, TGMREIS Secretary, B. Shefullah Sir, and our academic team. With the help of our principal sir guidance, I secured free medical seat. My NEET score is 414 and percentile is 91 percentile. Thank you.